they poured the food into my rucksack, and the class discovered Morley College. And at the time, the Inner London Education Authority was still in operation. Hooray! And that was wonderful, because the whole place of enrolment, there were like queues down the street, and people were falling over each other, because if you were on benefit, you could do a course for £1 for the whole term, and bless you, and it would cost 50p to join the library and the canteen for the year. The canteen was amazing.